Hi friends, welcome to Kokborok IQ Education. Sungnugi mano Prime Minister, Chief Minister, MLA, CEM eba Minister ni logio Security Personnel tongmani. Minister no kare CGI, Chief Army Industrial, High Profile borok no juta security rejakmani bonugo. Piaba recently titi edisini EM korok noi. Security escort no yudro khlaimani news tai social media o nukha. Hake tini singsilayana India o sabo iba Boba hai borok security tai escort party man. India o types of security kai besek tong omorok no bahaki manage khlaijak tai titi edisini korok ni EM tangi security no withdraw khlaikya. Bo borok no bo level ni security rejaknai abonoti kaini category tongo iba guideline tongo kaisa hanke blue book tai kaisa hanke yellow book. Blue book o khobjago president, vice president tai prime minister. O blue book o prime minister, president tai vice president ni security ni guideline ni kokno shawo. Yellow book o KVIPs political person, state minister, industrial personnel, high profile personnel rokni bagai security ni guideline ti kok shawo. Bufru tai besek jora tei sabono bo level ni security rena nangno tai rejaknai abono Ministry of Home Affairs decide khlaio juda intelligence agency ni bisingtei. Aba haikino state government ni bahaino same criteria tongo security no tei. Types of security. India o kaitok eba 6 security level tongo X, Y, Y+, Z, Z+ tai SPG. Haike faji kaisa ke omorok ni saung batang eba phangsungni no silayana. Pulao silayana SPG no tei. SPG ni full form ongkha Special Protection Group. Omongkha kaisa elite force, elite mean special group eba sisujak bodol. SPG Prime Minister no simi rejago bini protection ni bagai. Prime Minister no kare ite kebono rejagia o Special Protection Group. 2020 BC ni budget o SPG security ni bagai simi 592 crore rang allocated khaijaka. 592 crore ni bisingo 145 crore ke modern security equipment tai infrastructure ni bagai sabaijaknai. 1981 edijora India ni Prime Minister no Delhi Police tai Intelligence Bureau ni Special Task Force rok semi protection iba security remani phiaba 1984 BC o Prime Minister Indira Gandhi butharjakmani ulo Prime Minister ni security no tebo karak tai phanganang snamna bagai kaisa Birbal Nath Committee mungwik review setup khlaijaka Home Minister ni bisingtei. Aboni recommendation ni bisingtei April talni 1985 BC o kaisa Special Protection Group iba SPG security snamjaka. Haike o SPG security no PM no simi no rejago phiaba SPG o khorok besek borok iba force tong abo classify information iba abo kaisa confidential kok. Z+ category. Z+ ke second highest security. Z+ security o jotoi 55 personnel tongo 55 personnel ni bisingo khorokchi iba 10 national security guard commandos tai police personnel bo tongo. Z+ security VIPs borokno simi rejago. According to the Wikipedia, Amit Shah, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Rajnath Singh, Yogi Adityanath, Z+ security mano. Z category. Z+ category ni yagolo Z category. Z category security o ke total 22 security personnel tongo. Aro ni bisingo khorok bri iba khorok ba National Security Guard Commandos tongo. Tai police personnel bo tongo. O category security o Delhi Police, ITBP tai CRPF no phunangjago. Y+ category. Aboni yagolo Y+ category oroke jotoi khorok sisa iba 11 security personnel tongo. 11 security personnel ni bisingo khorok ni National Security Guard tongo abono karei khorok ni personnel security officer rotational basis o always no o category security manani ganao iba logiwo tongo. Y+ category o mainly CRPF ni responsible. Y category. Y category o ke total 8 security personnel tongo aboni bisingo khoroksa iba khorok nei commandos tongo tai police personnel. O level ni security o bahino khorok ni personnel security officer always no o category ni security manani ganao iba logiwo tongo rotational basis o. X category. Paithani category ke X category. O category ni security jotoi khorok nei khorok tham police personnel tongo. S category security no jotoni sai tola level o khobjago 6 type of security ni bisingo India haktoro gobangkuk borokno Y tai X category ni security no gobangkuk provide khlaijago omorok wngkha India haktorni juda security type tai category rok hake phaji tabuk silaye na TTADC ni khorokni gtal EM Mr. Suhel Devroma tai Mr. Rajesh Tripura tangni security eba escort no yakarka tai India security ni bo type ni security EM rok man abono tui kisa silaye na Sengnugi mano EM ni logio jotoi khorokni khoroktam TSR eba policeman tongmani jorano bujioi waishoisho khorok buri eba khorok barokbo ngo ake singbuskano saiman laikya S category level o jotoi khorokni eba khoroktam policeman rejago hanoi sini borom ganang EM Suhel tai Rajesh borokni security eba escort no yudro khlaimani reason rok wngkha a security ni rangno borokni protection tai thanglai su thayo swayawi education electric water crisis tai podrpet jagao phrangnani bagui borok security eba escort no withdraw khlaikya kha khlayo khajini kiching song o video ni bisingti total ke srungmung srungri mangkhana hanai hambai